Many people have been asking how I make my videos. So today, in this video, I would like to share what tools I actually use to make my videos. Hey, I'm Teacher Tan. Do remember to click on the subscribe button below so that you won't miss any notifications when I update my channel. Actually, the base of almost all my videos is PowerPoint slides. I will do the PowerPoint slides first, and then do the narrations recording, and then convert the files to MP4. Then the last step is to do the video editing using the video editing software or video editing apps.
Step number 1 is to prepare the PowerPoint slides for the video. So when you want to prepare the PowerPoint slides, you need to have a questions in your mind. How long you want your video to be? So the video durations is going to determine how many slides you need to prepare. And in your video, what are the main points that you want to deliver and how long you are going to spend per slide. These two factors later on are going to determine the number of slides you want to prepare and going to affect the overall video durations. For example, if you want to prepare 3 minutes video and you have 3 main points to deliver and you want to spend 1 minute per slide, so means that you only need to prepare 3 slides. But if you have 3 main points and you want to spend only 30 seconds per slide, that means that you need to prepare 6 slides in order to make overall 3 minutes video. After you have your PowerPoint slides ready, then you can move on to step 2 to do the recording. When you want to do the recording, you need to understand which versions of PowerPoint you are having, because PowerPoint 2016 and PowerPoint from Microsoft Office 365 are having different features on narrations recording. For PowerPoint 2016, to start the narrations recording, first you need to click on the slideshow. Then go to record slideshow. If you want to start recording from beginning, you click on start recording from beginning, or if you want to start recording on that particular slide, you click on current slide recording. So for me, I start from beginning, so I click on start recording from beginning, and you see narrations in laser pointer also been ticked, and that means that later on, if you have laser pointers and also ink, all those will be recorded during the narrations recording, and even your animations that you have prepared beforehand will also be recorded. Like for example, mine, I prepared these M animations beforehand, and during the recording I play it, and then it will be recorded as well. And then, like I mentioned just now, it can also record the ink and also laser pointer. So you just click on the pen sign and then click on laser pointer, and you show the laser pointer, and this will be recorded. And for the ink, you click on the pen, so you can scribble anything on your PowerPoint during the recording, and this will be recorded as well. So as the highlighter, so whatever you highlight during the narrations recording, this will be recorded. After finish recording, you just need to click on the cross, and then you will see a speaker symbol at the side of the slide, which means that the narrations has been recorded. To do the narrations recording using PowerPoint from Microsoft Office 365, again, first you click on slideshow and then click on record slideshow. If you want to start your recording from the beginning of the slides, then you click on record from beginning. If you want to record just for a particular slide, then you can click on record from current slide. So for me, since I want to do recording from the beginning, so I click on record from beginning. And then this page will appear, and this page is totally different with the page appear when you click on recording PowerPoint 2016. So to start recording, you need to click on start the recording button. After 3, 2, 1, whatever you say is going to be recorded. So after you finish recording this slide, then you can press next to do the recording for the next slide. So if you have animations that you already included before you're preparing the PowerPoint slides, it can be animated as well during the narrations. So for example, I have put the animations for the letter N, so I can play while I do the recording. And for PowerPoint from Microsoft Office 365, also having this pen for you to scribble, and also highlighter for you to highlight on the things that you want to highlight on during your narrations recording. All of these highlights and scribbles will be recorded. And you can move on to the next slide by click on the next button. And then whatever you say is going to be recorded. So after finish recording all the slides, then you can press on stop the recording button and then finish all the recording. So how to know that all the page has been recorded? See the speaker symbol here. So this speaker symbol basically tells you that your narrations has been recorded.
Step number 3 is to save the file as MP4 file, and there are 2 ways to do this.
For the recorded PowerPoint slides to be saved in MP4 format, so first you need to go to File and then click on Save As and then browse for the locations you want to save. So I'll just save it in my desktop. And then for the Save As type, you need to save it in MP4 format, so you need to save it as MP4 video file. So save as MPEG for video. And then click Save and let it run until finished in order for the file to be saved in MP4 format. So finish running, you can go to, just now I saved in desktop, so you can see that it is in my desktop and saved as MP4 video file. Second way to save the PowerPoint slides in MP4 format is by click on the file, choose export, and then click on create a video. So this way you can choose the quality of video that you want to create. So you can choose to save the video in full HD or even at lower quality HD or just the standard quality. Okay, so for my video, usually I will go for full HD and then click on create video and save it at the locations that you want. So I will just choose desktop, easier for me to find, and then click save. And also you need to let it run until the end for the recorded slides to be saved as MP4 file format. After finish running, check whether the file has been saved as MP4 as you want. After I have my video from the PowerPoint slides, I usually will upload it to the Google Drive. It is because I would like to do further editing using the video editing apps in my handphone. So by uploading the videos to the Google Drive, I can download it easily to my handphone and then do the further editing there. And of course, by uploading the video to my Google Drive, I can also save some space on my laptop. So it means that I do not need to save the video in my laptop. After I have uploaded into the Google Drive, I can just delete the video. So I save it in the Google Drive instead of in my laptop to save some space on my laptop.